Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and isolating the circuit to prevent accidental activation. This protects you and the mechanism. Next, remove the inspection cover to expose the release assembly and visually check for obvious jams or broken pins. While you work, wear gloves and use a flashlight to spot misaligned linkages. Once the cover is off, try the manual release lever gently to see if motion is smooth. If it binds, stop and inspect the cable, latch, and return spring before forcing anything. Now you address the more complex middle steps, free and realign internal parts. Start by spraying silicone into pivots and cable sheath to reduce friction, because heavy grease attracts dirt and worsens binding. Then gently loosen fasteners that trap the cable and free the inner wire. Straighten any bent links or replace frayed cable sections. Once parts move, actuate the lever through its full travel, measuring motion against the known spec. If travel is short, adjust the stop or limit screw to restore full release. Finish by tightening all fasteners to their specified torque, replacing the inspection cover, and restoring power cautiously. You should run 5 full cycles of the emergency release while observing motion and listening for grinding. This confirms reliability. Make sure to document the final travel distance and any parts replaced. If the release still sticks or fails intermittently, isolate the actuator and swap the cable or return spring. When in doubt, stop and have a certified technician inspect the locking mechanism to ensure compliance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.